What is this thing locked? Come on.
Oh my gosh. Seriously? Why can't I get this open?
And action.
Greetings and salutations, Earthlings. Welcome and thank you for checking out another Playmobil AF video today. My name is unpronounceable in your primitive language, so you may simply refer to me as Leonard.
No, Carl, no, I need you to stick to the script, okay?
I fail to comprehend your indignation, sir.
What? Whoa.
I've simply made the logical deduction that you are alive.
Nimoy, get out of here. I loved you going down to Liverpool, but you're ruining my mojo. We're still rolling. Let's go.
Yeah, sorry about that, boss. I thought maybe if I gave myself a name, I'd seem a little nicer.
Hey, and I can totally respect that, but it's not necessary for this specific production. We are rolling. Let's keep going.
Today, I will show you a shuttlecraft in two forms. The first one is incomplete, but was released in 1981 as a part of the Playmo Space themed sets. This space shuttle is from set 3535. It came with 3 astronauts and many accessories, including 4 sets of wheels mounted to the bottom by 2 large blue brackets. Noticeably missing from our ship are its wings, which are currently in storage. The ship's cockpit is sealed by a blue canopy piece. Just behind it is where we'd find the satellite dish and light attachments. Further down are a red and green light and the tail end retains the engine. I thought at first this part could double as an escape pod, but unfortunately, the rotating piece does not detach. Under the canopy, you will find a slightly modified cockpit. It mostly retains its original aesthetic, but has in recent years been given a small facelift with stickers to add to the overall futuristic appearance. The body of the shuttle houses a control center for our astronauts to conduct their scientific research as well as their daily and emergency routine work. There have been slight modifications added here as well. The back of the ship opens to reveal a storage space for the various tools necessary for our astronauts' ongoing mission to explore strange new worlds and to seek out new life forms and civilizations in their effort to better their understanding of the universe and mankind overall.
Oh, that was off script, and that was actually pretty good.
And this little silly symbol was drawn on here by Playmo AF when he was a little boy in the 1980s.
Yeah, I was a big fan of that sci-fi series V, and this ship reminded me of the Alien Visitors. In fact, that whole show inspired my Playmobil stories for years.
But wait, there's more! What you see here is the small shuttlecraft from set 3534. This was a slightly cheaper alternative to the larger set and included 2 astronauts and several accessories. The wheels attached directly to the bottom of the ship's hull. The cockpit interior looked the same as the larger shuttle. As you can see, the cockpit has undergone some modifications. The seat has been painted and stickers were added to give the craft a more futuristic look. As the ship is too small for a control center, the body is large enough to store one clicky or anything else the astronauts may have stumbled on that may require space. Are you okay there? You got it there, buddy?
Yeah, I got it. Here's the interior of our little shuttle here. Just enough for one clicky, as Carl said. And there's our red alert lamp and our cautionary tape modification.
Unlike the larger shuttle, this one at one point had both the red and green lights. Sadly, due to the passage of time, plastic becomes very brittle and sometimes discolored and will eventually break. such as the case for the green light that was here. And to top things off, this shuttle, like its bigger brother, has a storage compartment below the engine, ready to keep all the necessary tools to further mankind's exploration of the farthest reaches of our galaxy.
That was a terrible noise. What exactly are you doing? Oh, great. I guess that concludes this episode of What Just Happened.
Fascinating.
Get out, Spock. That concludes this visit down memory lane featuring the shuttlecrafts from Playmobil sets number 3534 and 3535. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram at playmo.af, where it's all Playmobil all the time. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.